Now we are ready to upload your video file to YouTube. Open your browser and make sure that you are logged in it using your Texas A&M University Google account. If you do not yet have such an account, please go to gateway.tamu.edu to claim your Texas A&M Google account. You need first to verify your Google account so that you can upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. To do so, enter the following URL into the browser: www.youtube.com/verify. In the following slides we go to the steps that are necessary in the verification process. When you enter this URL, you will see this web page. Select your country and whether you want to receive a phone call or a text message. Enter your phone number and click the blue Submit button. Enter the verification code, a 6-digit number, in the box and click the blue Submit button. A confirmation message will appear. Click on the Continue button. This web page may appear. You can read it if you like to do more with YouTube, but it is not necessary. Now you are ready to upload your lecture videos into YouTube. Again, make sure that you are logged into your browser with your Texas A&M Google account and navigate to studio.youtube.com. Make sure that on the left-hand bar you click on the Videos link and a list of your videos will appear if you have any already uploaded. This screenshot shows a list of lectures of an online course here at the College of Engineering. You will notice that for each video we have a thumbnail, a title, a level of visibility, and the date that was uploaded. To upload your video, click in the top right Create button and select Upload Video. This will then appear. You can drag your MP4 video file into this box. Alternatively, you can click on the blue Select File button and navigate to your video file and select it. Then, the web page will show an animation of the uploading of the file. Now you will go through 3 steps where you define the parameters of the uploaded file. Only Step 1 and Step 3 are of concern to us. In Step 1, make sure that you like the title, if not you can edit it or enter a different one. Note in blue the link that your YouTube video will have. You can also check the file name of the uploaded video to make sure that it is the correct one. You can upload a thumbnail if you so desire. However, to save time and effort we suggest that you begin each video lesson with a title slide because YouTube will use that to make a default thumbnail. You do not have to worry about the playlist. Nonetheless, if you are uploading videos of more than one course, you can create a playlist for each of these courses. Make sure that you select No, it is not made for kids, in the bottom. Skip through Step 2 without any change. On Step 3 you select the visibility. We suggest that you select Unlisted. To complete, click on the blue Save button on the bottom right. Closed captions will be automatically created after a few hours using an artificial intelligence. You do not have to do anything to create or to activate them. However, they do not have punctuation nor capitalization. In addition, accuracy is variable and is approximately between 60 to 90%. In this slide, we recall all the steps necessary to upload your video lesson.